Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the accessibility shortcut menu in this device. So in this device I already enabled the accessibility shortcut menu. You can see this is the menu. So let me show you how to enable this accessibility shortcut menu in this device. For this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on additional settings, tap on accessibility menu. We need to turn on this option. Then we can use this accessibility menu in this device and you will get lots of shortcuts in this menu easily. Without the power button you can do some options in here. You can volume up, make the volume up, you can make the volume down, you can power off this device, you can lock the device, you can take the screenshot also using the accessibility shortcut menu. So simply in this way you can enable and you can use the accessibility shortcut menu in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.